Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix call drops randomly in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to make a call to someone, your call randomly drops. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have enough signal for your SIM. Here you can see if your signals are weak, so you're unable to make a call to someone or your call will suddenly drops or randomly drops here. So make sure that you have enough signals. If you have enough signals but you're still facing the same issue, so you can go ahead to your settings and try to reset your mobile network setting. But before you do that, I recommend you just have to try to restart your phone. Just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and click on this icon again, and your phone will be restarted. And once you have restarted your phone, if you're still facing the same issue after a restart, just keep a long press on your phone app, click on this info button here, click on storage, and try to clear cache. It will clear all the junk files from your phone apps. Or you can also try to clear data of your phone app. Once you have done, just go back and retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, that's the only way. Just go to settings, scroll down, go to general management, go to reset here, click on reset mobile network settings, select your SIM. It might be your SIM 1 or your SIM 2, and then click on reset button, click on reset again, and your mobile network setting will be reset. Now, once you have done, your issue will be fixed, and now you will not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.